This is just a quick little video of a set of carburetors from a 06 GSX 600F Katana running on a 02 600 Katana. I just kept this bike around to test these carburetors out on, so here we go. It's going to be quick. Cold start's really easy. I've had it running. Synced them a little bit. Put a new fuel filter on it and 4 needle and seats. Cleaned them a little bit.